Hey guys, so if you have animals that are on tie-outs, like we have to have tie-outs, we can't put fences in most of the areas on our property. And the reason is that we have so many rocks. It bends T-posts. We can sometimes get them in the ground if there's been a lot of watering, or if we have had a lot of mulch. If we put a lot of mulch down, years and years, over time it'll build up soil so we can get posts in. But what we can get in is grazing stakes. And one of the problems you get is that with animals, they will twist themselves up, and they can even get gangrene and have limbs fall off if you don't catch it soon enough. So I have a trick that I do with PVC that keeps that from happening. It works like a charm, and what will eventually happen is they'll learn to step over it because they can't really feel, like here we have our little lamb, the renter's lamb. This little lamb can't really feel that rope through its wool. It's hard for her to feel that rope, so she doesn't know it's on her until it's really wound on her. So having this on there, it'll bump against her leg and teach her to step over it. Okay, so you want to put through a single piece first, and you're just going to tie it to the end of your bigger piece. It's been a while since I've done this, so I'm having a hard time remembering. Okay, stop. Now I'm going to take and tie this really good in a really big fat knot so that it can't slide back down. See how that's going to stop that now, that knot? I'm going to tie another one and one more. And that way, big fat knot keeps it from sliding down. Come here, baby. Let me show you. Let me show you. And now, come here. And now she has to step over it. There we go. The reason that she is skittish is that she was not originally a bottle baby. She was an orphan who lived with mom for a couple months and then came here. So she does go on a bottle, but only once or twice a day. And she really isn't used to people yet. When you have baby animals, it doesn't have to be very complicated. As this one gets older, it'll need to be a stronger rope, but by then, hopefully, he will have learned to step over it. But you can see, again, this is a baby that was raised with a mama. He is not used to people yet. He does get bottles, but he's not used to people yet. So there's my big knot in the end, and it will keep him from getting wound up anymore. Can you come here, baby? Come here, come here, come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Says, I'm not interested. I want to kill this tree. Oh goodness, I look I look kind of rough. So all you need for that, is PVC and a little PVC cutter, and it works so well. The reason I haven't done it in a while is that the animals learn after a while when they feel anything on their leg to lift it and step away. And so these mamas here, they don't need that bar, and the baby goats don't need the bar because they learn much faster than sheep. So I've been doing that one for 6 years now. It's a good one.